do what you love and you never work a day in your life. I don't go to work every day.
You don't know Northern Tire, you don't know service.
No, you really don't know service.
You don't know Northern Tire.
You don't know service.
You don't know Northern Tire.
Northern Tire.
If you don't know Northern Tire, then you don't know Jack. I could use another word, but I won't.
Don't know
It's not like I go do a 9 to 5. You want to get out of there at the end of the day. This is a hobby. It's something I just do.
I trust the employees to do the right thing.
I've come here thinking that I needed a brake job. It was just a stone, you know? There's no charge.
You know, we're honest. We're not commission sales.
Trust is everything.
Yeah.
And they're just outstanding here.
Trust is one of the greatest things you can achieve.
Right straight through, we're honest. If a customer comes out and, you know, we'll show them what's wrong.
We make mistakes, but we make right on it.
Northern Tire has serviced my vehicles for the last 12 plus years.
Brian will gladly bring them in, sit them down, talk to them, and fix the problem, make it right. We don't want any angry customers.
And more than anything else, they stand behind what they do.
We warranty almost everything we do. You know, brake jobs are like 2 years. No other shop's gonna do that.
We have lots of customers from Massachusetts that come here. They say, people aren't nice where we live. But when we come here, everybody's nice to us.